Hi guys, my name is Karan and you're watching my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about how you can find clients using LinkedIn. So basically what you need to do is you need to go to linkedin.com, your homepage, click here and press enter. It will take you to this detailed filter page. Then what you need to do, go to filters, all filters, leave it blank. Location, yeah, you use United States because most of the clients United States has a really good paying capacity, so I usually choose that. Past company, avoid industry, yeah, industry you can use cosmetics, yeah, cosmetics. And then service category, no, leave it blank. Okay. Then click on show results. What it will do, it will find people in cosmetic industry. So what you need to do, you need to click on companies, location, United States. Yeah, you might have to do this filter again, so it's better to choose a company beforehand. Cosmetics, show results, company size. Try to find companies within 1 to 10 range. So it is showing you some big companies like Smashbox is one of the biggest aggregator of basically it is more of a subscription box, so avoid that. Try to avoid big companies. So we'll go to 5th page. As you can see, you will start seeing companies which has less like following. So we need to find these kind of companies only. Let's click on the pages. So if you will go to the 8th or 10th page, then you can see the followers are reducing. What happens with most of these companies are already running ads, and you might have to find so let's check it out how the website looks. Website is looking pretty good. So we'll go to their Facebook page. As you can see, they have both Facebook and TikTok pixel. So you have opportunity to pitch Snapchat ads. Obviously, if you know how to run ads. Okay, they are present in mostly every platform. I'm sure they will. Oh my god, they're not running any kind of ads. So that's quite strange. 6 July. I think they are more focusing towards organic marketing. As we can see, they are not changing they're not running any kind of ads. So this is your company. You can what you can do, you can find your owners from here. For example, supervisor. Okay, if you cannot find the name, the owner's name, what you need to do, you need to click on here and search owner. Oh shit, sorry. And Google will definitely try to find you the owner's name. So this is how you find companies on using social media, using LinkedIn.